Hello, let's do the Minute Cryptic for Thursday, November 13th. Today's clue is by member Iman S. Horseshoe slipped in awkward canter for horseman. Awkward, to me, immediately feels like an anagram indicator, because if something is awkward, maybe it's been mixed up. In feels like an insertion indicator. So that means that whatever's to the left of it goes inside whatever's to the right of it. So canter, whoopsie. Canter is already all but one letter. Now, four horsemen could be our definition. And I feel like it would be. So horseshoe slipped. I wonder if slipped in is our... I was trying to think, like, the only letter that's shaped like a horseshoe is omega, capital Omega, but that's obviously not something we can do. Four horsemen. I'm trying to think how slipped would be an indicator that would affect horseshoe to make one letter. And I can't think how that would work, so maybe I have something wrong with my analysis here. I could try to look at how canter could be anagrammed to mean four horsemen. Recant. I'm not really very good at anagrams, especially missing one letter. And I don't even know if I'm right. So how could horseshoe slipped give us a letter? Or is it horse? Oh, you know what it is. So slipped in is our indicator, as I was saying. Still an insertion, but it's using both words for it. And it's the shoe of a horse. The shoe of a horse is the last letter. It's the E. So somewhere in the middle of our anagrammed canter is another E. So basically we need to anagram canter with an E. And no matter how we do that, there's going to be an E in the middle because we can't put the... So as long as it doesn't start and end with an E, we're good. We just need to anagram this to be something that's four horsemen. What would that be? Okay, so I like to alphabetize to avoid any bias here. So A, B, C, D, and there's two E's. Okay, so this is alphabetized. Like a trance. Entrance. Entrance. That's too long, right? No, that's right. Wow, entrance. Oh no, I did exactly what I said I shouldn't do, which is start and end with an E. Shoot. Okay. No, I wrote end trace anyway. Whoops. Yeah, I didn't think it fit, but then when I typed it, it did because I missed the N. All right. Anyway, I can't start and end with an E. One of them's got to be in the middle. Maybe a race. Race 10, race net. Race. Is net race or race net a thing? I don't know what we're going for here. A trace sent. At this point, oftentimes I just show some letters to anchor the anagram because I hate anagramming this many letters. It's not my favorite thing in the world. Can we end in like NE? And so do like a I don't know, a TR. What am I missing here? So like a NCE maybe? What am I missing? I have the C, I'm missing the A. Trans. All right, I'm going to show one letter. Oh, I'm just wrong because there's a U. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. So the shoe of the horse in awkward it worked so well. What's that U doing there? So my thought was awkward being awkward being an anagram indicator for canter, and then we're slipping into that the shoe of a horse, which would be the last letter, which is E, but there's no U in any of that. Could a U be interpreted as a horseshoe? Are we slipping in just the U? That could still be true, in which case we still need canter, but their U would be slipped into it. Let's show one more letter just to see. Okay, so at least E is in that. Oh, centaur. There we go. Literally a horseman. A horseman is a centaur. So the for is a linking word, unfortunately. So I was thinking we needed something that was for a horseman, but actually for is a linking word, meaning basically ignore it. It's kind of the equal sign. And then a horseman is a centaur. Okay. Oh well. Well, how'd you do?